In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your LinkedIn account efficiently and smoothly, ensuring you can quickly access your professional network. Whether you're a seasoned LinkedIn user or just getting started, following these steps will make your login process seamless every time. First, let's navigate to the main website. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar at the top, type in linkedin.com. Once you press enter, you'll be directed to LinkedIn's homepage. It's always good to check that you're on the official website to ensure your data is safe and secure. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a new page specifically designed for logging in. Here, you'll see empty fields waiting for you to enter your login information. In these fields, input your email address or the phone number associated with your LinkedIn account, followed by your password. Both of these pieces of information are essential for verifying your identity. If you're having trouble remembering your password, LinkedIn provides a Forgot Password link right below the password entry box to help you reset it. Alternatively, if you'd prefer even quicker access and have a Google account you've linked with LinkedIn, you can use the Log In using Google option. Clicking this will prompt a new window to pop up, where you can select which Google account to use. This option is not only convenient, but also saves time and eliminates the need to remember an additional password. After entering your details or selecting your Google account, click the Sign In button. At this point, LinkedIn should successfully log you into your account, bringing you directly to your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll find your newsfeed, where you can catch up on industry updates and see what your connections have been up to. It's a space designed for you to engage with your network by liking, commenting on, or sharing posts. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as it offers extensive features that are invaluable for professional growth. And that's it. You've now logged into LinkedIn and are ready to explore its many resources. Remember, keeping your login credentials safe and private is crucial, so avoid sharing them with anyone. Also, consider using security features like two-factor authentication for added protection. Thank you for watching, and enjoy connecting and collaborating with professionals across the globe through LinkedIn.